Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule your service appointment online. First, click Service and Parts, then Request Service Appointment. From there, you'll be taken to the service appointment landing page. There are several ways to log into our service scheduler. First, you can start by entering a phone number or email address here, and then you click Search. Or you can sign in with a Google account. But if you already have an account with us, you can manually sign in here. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign in as a new customer, so click Make Year and Model. Now you're going to tell us about your vehicle. First, you're going to select the make of your vehicle, Kia or other. Then you will let us know what year your vehicle is and what model you have. From here, you're going to have a bunch of different options that you can tell us. If you don't know this, that's fine. Just come over and enter your vehicle's mileage. Then click Continue. On this page, you'll tell us what type of service your vehicle is coming in for. Up at the top, we do have a mileage adjustment if you need to change your mileage, and then we have various services listed below. If you select the drop-down menu, our most common services will be listed up here at the top, and then there is a variety of other services that you can select for your vehicle. Today, I'm going to select Replace Engine Oil and Filter and click I'm done. Do you need a ride while your vehicle is being serviced? If so, click I'll take the shuttle. Information about our shuttle service will populate below, and then click Next. On this page, you will select the date and time that you would like your appointment to be. Once you select the date, all the available times will populate, and then you are ready to review. On the review screen, if you already have an account, your contact information will auto-populate. But if you don't, go ahead and fill out your name, phone number, and email address. Then you can review the type of appointment that you scheduled along with our estimated charges. Be sure to select if you would like to be reminded via text or email for your appointment, and then you can leave any additional comments if you wish. Finally, you are able to review your date and time of your appointment and click Schedule.